Okay, so here I'm actually inside the cornfield. And I'll show you kind of what the roots of these plants look like. Here's a good one here. But they all pretty much look like that. And it's packed in pretty tight here, as you can see, but this is what the inside of it looks like. And then here's an ear of corn here. And so this is field corn, so it's not sweet corn that we would eat, but this would go into animal feed and maybe other stuff that they use corn for. Well, I'm not really sure, but alright, so let's walk out here. Hi Jenny. So you can see that it's quite tall. I mean, it's taller than I am. It's probably about 7 or 8 feet tall. Yeah. And here's Jenny next to the corn. So it's pretty tall.
I am 5'5".
Jenny is 5'5". So it's pretty darn tall. There's the back of the house.
And the good dog tree.
And some really nice trees. And there's more fields out that way.
Too bad we took down the frisbee golf court already.
Yeah. Bob built a 9-hole frisbee golf course, which was set up kind of just all around the house. It was a lot of fun. What we did when Jenny's sister Heather and her fiance Ken were here over last weekend.
Except the mosquitoes are...
The mosquitoes are pretty bad this year, so so it's kind of not as fun to be outside. Except for right now, it's been okay. But there's County Road J. There's that soybean field again and that shed. Here's another view. There's the house. And more of Lynette's flower beds here.
And stainless steel bugs.
Oh yeah. I'll have to go see those.
Of course, this isn't exactly peak season for the flowers.
Yeah, that is true. But you can see how nice they would have looked in the spring.
These are lilacs up along the back of this building here.
Yeah.
Very fragrant.
And this is the party barn. That's a view from the other side in. And these are some of Bob's stainless steel sculptures
Which are actually
that he's done. They're
quite large.
Quite large, yes. Of the...
Well, the state bird.
Yes, the state bird, the mosquito. And there's one other thing I wanted to... that we didn't do, but here's another view of the milking pan and the milker. And each one of those things would go around a teat, and that would pull the milk out. And there's a cow skull.